Hey there, Christian here from OnlineMarketerWorld.com. Now, if you're seeing this page, then more than likely you have been invited to get a feature post on OnlineMarketerWorld.com. In other words, get some free promotion for your business. So what you're looking at right now is a sample feature post that will be on our website, and yours could look something just like this. So this is a post for TextBot, and basically your post will look very similar to this. So basically it'll have a title, which is right here on our website. It'll have a video of your business or opportunity right here, and then it'll have the link to go to your sign up page or a more information page or watch your presentation page. Whatever link you want, it'll be on there. And then under that, there will be a short description or a long description depending on how much you want to put on the website. There'll be a description underneath your link, and then it'll also have ways to contact you, which is down here, if people want to contact you about your business. Okay? And you could put your phone number in there, you could put your Facebook link, email, whatever you want. This is totally up to you. This is a sample post of how I would do it. If I were to do a feature on a website, I would want mine to look pretty much just like this. So we're giving you the option to basically have a title on here, and you will write the title for us. Okay? You'll give us a link to a video that you want us to use. It will give us your sign up link, your more information link, or your presentation link. You'll give us a description, and then you'll give us uh, ways to contact you if you want to be contacted. Pretty much this is all optional, but basically what we really need is a title, a video, and if you don't have a video, we can supply one for you. We'll just grab one off of YouTube somewhere. And then we need your sign up link, of course, so people can sign up with you and your opportunity. And then give us a description. If you don't have a description, then what you should do is just find one online or borrow one from someone else or have someone else write one for you. Sometimes your company already has descriptions anyways, just copy and paste from there. And lastly, optionally, you can give us ways to contact you or ways for people to contact you if they have questions about your particular business. Okay, so this is what the feature will look like on our website. This is to get you free promotion from the traffic generated from our website. What you want to do next is, if you're interested in this, underneath this video on this page somewhere, or however you're watching this video, there'll be instructions on how to get signed up for this and what is the step-by-step process to get featured on our website. Just follow those directions to the T, and if you have any questions, then be sure to reach out to me or the website in general via the link that says contact us for questions if you have any questions. Okay, it's a simple setup process. All we need from you again is a title, a video, your link, some text, some description, and ways to contact you. That's all we need to get you on the site. And also we will also be sharing what you send us. We'll probably be putting it on our social sites too, because we're starting a online marketerworld.com social site or social channels, for example, Facebook, YouTube, and more to come. So when you give us this information, we will also be posting it to there too. So think of this as like a distribution channel for your business and your links. We will be also doing that too. Maybe it hasn't started at the time of making this video, but it will be starting pretty soon. So basically you just send us your content, your business links, your video, and then we will upload it to our channels, with primarily being on our website. So if this interests you whatsoever, go down below this video and follow the directions and submit what we need to us, and then we'll get this posted as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Christian signing out.